In the regions where our coffee is grown, many young people lack access to sexual and reproductive health education. We identified a problem and chose to help solve that by supporting the production of dignity packs and sexual health education to those communities.
We know there's a big problem in Maru in that teenage pregnancies are at an all-time high and girls are dropping out of school. They're having to make really difficult choices to go to school. We want to try and help with that.
It's really helping our girls in the community because some girls who are not able to afford the pads were being taken advantage of. Right now, the rate of teenage pregnancy has gone down in our area.
These girls now have something that's theirs that gives them a choice. They can go to school each month. We have a really special team where we all share these values that we want to use our position of privilege to do good and to be able to walk away and know that it's not relying upon us. You know, we've given something back. Really moving forwards, the drive from our learnings is about sustainability. At a point where we can walk away and know that they've got something they can run with. They've got crops that they can continue to grow and use, and they've got these pads that they have access to. They've got learning materials that are going to be able to be used year after year. They've got infrastructure in place, sanitation. Yeah, the goal is for them to be self-sufficient and not need us, because who are we? You know, it's about them.